Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, tap on one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and tap on the home button to access it in the background. Then do exactly the same with the other one. When you're finished, tap on the square button to access both of your background apps and hold the one that you wish to use on the top half of the screen. Then drag it to the top, and when you see this gray area, let go. Now just simply click on the other one. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!